Hi everyone, welcome to Young Innovators Astronomy class. We had discussed about colors and formation of rainbow in our previous video. Today we shall learn about asteroid and discuss the fact that how dinosaurs become extinct because of asteroids. Dinosaurs are the animals which are believed to be existed 250 million years ago. They were largest mammals existed on the planet Earth. They were extremely dominant and one of the intelligent animals on Earth. There were various classifications of dinosaurs, but today none of them are alive. It's believed that it took about 65 million years for humans to appear on the Earth after their extinction. You might have read about dinosaurs in your book or seen a skeleton in any of science museum, but we don't see them around. Have you wondered what happened to them? Have you read about it? If you have read, you must have come across some kind of fireballs flying from the sky. What are they? How they were reason for the extinction of dinosaurs? Let us see it further. Fireballs are fire created by space rocks like asteroids and meteors. Asteroids and meteors are the remnants formed during the formation of solar system. They are rocks with a varied size and composition, often found wandering within the solar system. Most of them are orbiting around Sun in the region between Mars and Jupiter. It's called asteroid belt. Due to gravitational force of Earth, sometimes they happen to leave their orbit and travel towards Earth, or they may get deviated on their way by gravitational force of Sun or neighboring planets. When such rocks enter Earth's atmosphere, they catch fire due to friction caused by Earth's atmosphere. By the time it reaches Earth's surface through atmosphere, it would get burnt completely and turn to ash. Certain space rocks happen to hit the Earth's surface, causing great destructions, depending on their size. If it is of larger size, even though it caught fire when it enters Earth's atmosphere, it can hit Earth before it burnt out completely. Impact of asteroid to Earth's surface depends on asteroid density, mass, velocity, and many more, but mainly on size of it. When asteroid hits Earth, because of its size and its speed, it can make huge damage to Earth's surface. Within a fraction of a second, large area will be demolished. If it hits to ocean, it can cause huge tsunamis. It is considered as one of the biggest threat to planet Earth. You can try experience impact by dropping tennis ball and football from tall building or from your terrace. Impact increases as size and mass increases. One such historic impact event was KT event. Dinosaurs are believed to be extinct because of this. KT stands for Cretaceous Territory. It happened about 66 million years ago. Asteroid of size 10 to 15 km wide hit to Earth and caused sudden mass extinction of 75% life on Earth, including animals, birds, and plants. Smoke and dust formed from the impact blocked the sunlight almost year for Earth. Almost all type of dinosaurs died by this asteroid impact. Now we can see only their skeleton or a prints on rock. While playing cricket, if you catch a leather ball coming from great height, you feel the impact of that. Now imagine a huge rock which is falling from thousands of kilometers. The impact is similar to that of a bomb. Since we have an atmosphere, it can protect us from most of small asteroids and reduce the effect of large asteroids by burning them on their way in the atmosphere. Whereas in Moon, we don't have any atmosphere. Asteroid can directly hit and make considerable damage to the Moon surface. If you have looked into detailed or resolved image of Moon, you can see its surface filled with the craters formed from the impact of asteroid. Now we know how and what type of asteroids are dangerous for us, and also how dinosaurs are dead. What if similar event happens tomorrow? How we can get to know and how we can avoid that? No need to worry. We have already sent out various satellites to search and check if any of them are coming towards us. As of now, no such asteroid will hit Earth within 10 to 15 years. Now, science and technology develop a lot. If we find one such asteroid also, we can destroy it or change its direction. Yearly, Earth will collect around 6,000 asteroids. Go out and watch sky tonight. Count and mention the number of asteroids spotted in the comment box. Thank you for watching.